Milliposts. Jobs, current affairs, GK. नमस्कार. प्राचीन भारतीय इतिहास MCQs, SSC, NDA, CDS, UPSC, UPPSC और राज्य PSC परीक्षाओं के सामान्य अध्ययन और GK की तैयारी के लिए प्राचीन भारतीय इतिहास पर बहुविकल्पीय प्रश्नोत्तरी प्रश्न MCQs. 1. Which among the following sites near Pondicherry gives best support to the view on an ancient trade between Rome and the ancient Tamil country of India? A. Villanur. B. Suttukeni. C. Arikamedu. D. Andiyarpalayam. Correct answer C. Arikamedu. Arikamedu is the site near Pondicherry that best supports the view of ancient trade between Rome and the ancient Tamil country of India. Arikamedu was an important coastal and port town in ancient India. It was located near Puducherry, a union territory of India. Arikamedu was believed to be an active trading port with the Roman Empire as early as the 2nd century BC. Arikamedu exported textiles, beads, and precious stones and imported wine and olive oil from Rome. It was believed to be the only town to have ties with Rome. Arikamedu is located about 7 kilometers from Pondicherry. The name Arikamedu means eroding mud. 2. All Indians are free and not even one of them is a slave. Who among the following has observed the above about the Mauryan Empire? A. Megasthenes. B. Huenzang. C. Ashoka. D. Strabo. Correct answer A. Megasthenes. Megasthenes in his book Indica wrote all Indians are free and not even one of them is a slave. 3. Which among the following sites gives an evidence of maritime trade in Harappan era? A. Mohenjo-daro. B. Lothal. C. Kalibangan. D. Harappa. Correct answer B. Lothal. Lothal is a small mature Harappan settlement near Gulf of Khambat in Dhalka Taluk of Ahmedabad in Gujarat. It was first excavated in 1957 by S.R. Rao. The notable structures at Lothal include a dockyard, warehouse, workshop for manufacturing of stone beads, evidence of shell working, rice husk and a cemetery. 4. Which king had the title of Kaviraja or King of Poets? A. Chandragupta Maurya. B. Samudragupta. C. Skandagupta. D. Ashoka. Correct answer B. Samudragupta. Gupta King Samudragupta loved to play the flute and love for poems. He not only penned many poems himself but also patronized the poets. Due to these, he was titled Kaviraj or King of Poets. 5. Which river was called Vipasa in Vedic India? A. Ganga. B. Jhelum. C. Beas. D. Indus. Correct answer C. Beas. Some important names of rivers in Vedic era include Kubha, Kabul River, Krimu, Kurram River, Srivastu Suvastu, Swat River, Gauri, Panjakora River, Sindhu, Indus River, Sushoma, Sohan River, Arjikia, Haro River, Vitasta, Jhelum River, Asikni, Chenab River, Parusni, Ravi River, Vipas, Beas River, Sutudri, Sutlej River, etc. 6. After death of Bindusara, who among the following is considered to help Asoka to capture the throne? A. Vishnugupta. B. Radhagupta. C. Tishya. D. Bairam Khan. Correct answer B. Radhagupta. Radhagupta was an important character in the life of the greatest king Ashoka. Radhagupta was a son of Prime Minister. He later became a minister in the Mauryan Empire. Radhagupta gave elephant as a gift when Ashoka proceeded to Golden Palace. He helped Ashoka after the death of Bindusara. 7. Which of the following dynasties was founded by Mayur Sarman? A. Gang. B. Pallava. C. Kadamba. D. Chalukya. Correct answer C. Kadamba. The Kadambas, 345 to 525 CE, were an ancient royal family of Karnataka, India, that ruled northern Karnataka and the Konkan from Banvasi in present-day Uttara Kannada district. It was founded by Mayur Sarman. 8. Which among the following sites of Indus Valley era is considered as the oldest ploughed field in the world? A. Harappa. B. Kalibangan. C. Lothal. D. Rangapur. Correct answer B. Kalibangan. Kalibangan site is known for its unique fire altars and world's earliest attested ploughed field. 9. Who among the following Buddhist philosophers persuaded the Indo-Greek king Menander to accept Buddhism? A. Asanga. B. Nagsena. C. Dharmakirti. D. Jambuka. Correct answer B. Nagsena. Nagsena was a Sarvastivdan Buddhist sage born in Kashmir and lived around 150 BC. His answers to questions about Buddhism posed by Menander I, the Indo-Greek king of northwestern India, are recorded in the Milinda Panha and the Sanskrit Nagasena Bhiksu Sutra. 10. Who were Manu, Yajnavalkya, Narda and Brihaspati? A. Lawgivers of ancient India. B. Gods of Vedic religion. C. Buddhist scholars and logicians. D. Celebrated mathematicians and astronomers of ancient India. Correct answer A. Lawgivers of ancient India. Manu, Yajnavalkya, Narda, and Brihaspati were prominent lawgivers of ancient India. They played crucial roles in the development of legal and ethical codes that influenced the societal and religious